Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, or if you're new here, my name is Simone. I make lifestyle videos and vlogs, but today we are doing something a little special. Well, yes, it's special. Not really. Okay, whatever. But today's video is going to be about Luxy, oh my god, thought you said my address. Luxy Hair Extensions. These are luxury hair extensions, and the reason I wanted to buy, well, two reasons I wanted to try these out is because one of my sorors, one of my Spellman sisters, one of my content creator sisters, Jazz, she actually wears these a lot and her hair looks good. So I went online, and like anybody about to buy something online, you go to YouTube and try to find someone who looks like you wearing the same things. Couldn't find it. I have 4C hair, baby. Like, zooming on these edges. You can't play with them. You gotta take them serious. So when it comes to buying hair online, it's like very scary because you just don't know what the real texture is. I'm not even gonna lie. I didn't see anyone on their website who looked like me, as in dark skinned with like coarse hair. So the other reason I purchased these extensions is because I want to have a review for women out there who have hair like mine and want to see if Luxy extensions can work for them, because honestly, based on their reviews, they are the best of the best. So let's see. Okay, so sorry if I sound like I'm rushing or talking really fast. I'm like about to leave for a trip, and I thought these were gonna come yesterday, but they actually came like 5 minutes ago, and I wanted to make sure I recorded an unboxing and a full review for you guys. But just know I'm like trying to leave my house to get ready to go on a trip. So I ordered the 20-inch classic off black clip-ins, 220 grams. So this is like the thicker density hair, because I have really thick hair and I just hope it blends. And then it came with a free gift. So I don't even want to tell you the price. I do not want to tell you that price, child. Okay, so this is the packaging it came in. I also purchased express shipping because I knew I wanted this before I left for LA, and it was supposed to come yesterday, and it would have arrived yesterday, but you guys know how FedEx is. So amazing shipping. I bought this on Saturday night. It was supposed to come on a Tuesday, so that's really fast. So let's open this baby up. It comes in this black poly mailer. It says Luxy Hair for Days, routine to remarkable. I like that. So yeah, black poly mailer. Here's my free gift. I got the compact mirror. It comes in this cute little box. It's like a fuchsia, I think that's the color. I don't know. Here is the compact mirror. It's not that exciting, but I like how they give you a free gift. And it says, you're a 10. I don't know if you probably couldn't even read that. But here's what we've been waiting for. Okay, the Luxy Hair Extensions. It comes in this really cute circular box. This box is recyclable. Love that. Because guys, the way the earth is shaping up, will I even be able to wear hair extensions? Okay, so I wanted to try clip-ins because, guys, when I was in high school, I was the clip-in queen. You could not catch me without a clip in my head. Like, I used to make them myself. I went and bought my own clip-ins that were professionally made like 2 years ago from this hair vendor in Atlanta. They were disgusting. The hair felt synthetic. It wasn't full. I'm like, ugh. So I just opened the packaging, and all you see in here is this little pamphlet. It says Luxy Clip-In Hair Extensions. It has different pictures of models. And then inside it says how to clip in your luxury hair extensions, and it has a very detailed instruction path. I don't need to read this because I'm so obsessed. I already watched this on YouTube. And then it says, read me first. This is one of the pieces of your full set of Luxy hair extensions. It's designed, because I was about to say, if y'all gave me this free, I'm about to slap a clip on here. Anyways, It's designed for you to test the color quality and length of your new set. You may take it out of the net, but it must remain fixed to this card. Please do not heat, style, cut, or dye the tester weft until you decide to keep your set. If you decide to return or exchange your Luxys, oh, that's cute, this weft must be included in its original packaging. Okay, I am the type of person who loves processes, and I like how they did this, and I totally understand, because it would suck to open all this packaging, find out that this hair does not match or does not work for you, and then you still clip all this stuff in, and then you try to send it back. It's dirty, it's disgusting. Like, I love how they did this. They get some points for me. I'm trying to be professional. So this is my hair, and then we're gonna put this on top. The color is very close. The color is very close. Now let's do a texture. Let's zoom in with my neck and do a texture. It's all right. Like, it's not Negro, but it works. Let's see, I think. And it's 20 inches, so let's say I clipped it to the top of my head. It comes right here. My real hair stops right there. I wish my real hair was 20 inches. Okay, I think it works. So I feel comfortable enough to remove it. And if it doesn't work, there's somebody out there who will buy these from me, or I'm just gonna have to take the L. So yeah, this is one clip. It's a double clip. And this clip, I wish I still had the other clip-ins I bought from a different hair vendor. It was so thin. And it looked really good when I first pulled it out, but like when I put it in my hair, it just was disgusting. This smells really good. You know, usually, like, not usually, but sometimes hair can smell. But this smells really good. And let's open the rest of these babies. So, it just has more instructions about the weft. And look, they're serious about this. Cannot return or exchange if opened. Love that for them. Because people will try to play you. I love that idea. Ooh. Y'all, they do not play. This says void. So here are the rest of the clips, and I think everything comes, it's a 10 pack, so there's 9 in here, and I already just opened one, which was the tester weft. And then they also give you additional clippies. The inside of the box, it's about care for your hair. The typical lifespan is 3 months. Anyways, 3 months to a year, depending on how often you wear and wash your hair. Yeah, okay. Looks like you're a special occasion type thing only. But yeah, let's unravel the hair. It's beautiful, guys. I wish I could like replay how that just came out of my hand, but this is very high density. I mean, like, this is really thick. I would say this is 2 bundles of hair. Oh my God, like I just dropped a bunch and it's still so thick. I just dropped 1, 2, 3 clips and it's still so thick. I'm getting really excited. I want to put this in my hair right now. What I'm gonna do, so you can see, how do I want to do this? Because I want to see you install these clips. I want you to see me install these clips. So I'm going to use the how-to booklet to see if their method works for me. So it says step 1, brush your hair to get rid of any tangles. That's easy. Let me group these together. Like, oh, sorry, side note. Look how thick this one clip weft is. Like, oh my God. The clip is thin, but the density of the hair is thick. And I really, really, really like that. Like, I hope this works for me because I'm already liking what I'm seeing. It's so shiny though. Is my hair shiny? I don't know. Probably not. Brush your hair, get rid of tangles, and then find a 3 clip weft. Ba, 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 2, 2, 2, 2, 2. All right, here is a 3 weft clip. Okay, so this 3 clip weft goes at the nape of my neck. So let me turn around so you can see what I'm. Take this comb. That part was probably terrible. And take this baby. And it's so secure and it doesn't feel heavy. You see it, guys? I mean, I love that. All right, next it says take a 4-clip weft. Oh my God. Next is another 4-clip weft. I'm like so, right above the one I just did. Let me do a brush through. And like as I'm brushing through my hair, I don't feel any pulling and weight. And like that's one thing I used to hate about clip-ins, like the weight. And I would feel like it was just pulling my roots. All right, now it's saying another 3-clip weft. Another 3. All right, I'm gonna turn around because that felt weird anyways. Being turned, oh, did you? Yep, look. Oh! Okay. Now it's time for the sides. You got your main, now you need your sides. Okay, this is crazy how good this looks so far. Cause right now you can see like, okay, obviously this is choppy, how my hair stops right here and then the hair keeps going. It says a 2-clip weft. Here is a 2-clip weft. 2 inches above your ear. Let's see, because it's interesting because I have a clip that stops right here, so how am I gonna fit this? But let's see. I'm gonna start right here. Oh, it does fit perfectly actually. Oh my gosh, Maybe I do need a mirror. And like I'm rushing and this is still feeling and looking so good. I accidentally clipped a clip on a clip, if you know what I'm saying. The girls that get it, get it. And the girls that don't. Okay, that's just gonna have to work for now. Oh my God. And guys, this I've done all the 4s, all the 3s, and I think all the 2s. Oh my God, this hair is so thick. And then all I have are little 1s. I can see the value of the 1 clips. I'm just gonna do a little side part. You see, I'll tuck my hair like this, and it's so thick. I can't believe that. Like, I literally cannot believe that. So I'm just gonna go in here. You see a clip right here? I'm gonna go in like right here, do a 1 clip. I'm gonna go up here and do a 1 clip. So it will be like full under my bang. I'm gonna do a 1 clip here. And one thing, I just stuttered so hard, but one thing I love about clips is that like you can move them. A sew-in, it's so semi-permanent. Clips, like if you feel something going crazy, you can run in the bathroom real quick and just adjust it and act like nothing ever happened. But guys, look. Oh my God. This hair is beautiful. I love how it's just like so flowy. I was so scared that it was not gonna blend with my hair, but it is blending with my hair. Guys, it's blending. It looks just, I'm not gonna lie and say it looks just like my hair. I'm never gonna lie to you guys, but like it looks really good. Like as I lift my hair in the extensions, it looks really good. Yeah, so let's do the ponytail test. Let's do a nice ponytail. I'm not gonna do a style for you guys because I don't have time, but I can at least do a ponytail. Ugh, it's so thick. Like I don't even think my hairband will go, like usually my hairband goes around my hair 3 times. It can only go 2. How does it look? I think probably a ponytail will be obvious. But I know I could do a half up, half down, and it would look really nice. Let's do a high bun. Let's see. And it's so comfortable. It's like not pulling my scalp. This is insane. I am just at a loss. I'm sold. This is my hair now. This is mine. Like, this is really good, really thick hair. I thought I was also gonna have to order another set or the volumizer weft, which they do have, which I still might invest in. It's like 60 bucks. But guys, this is really nice, really soft, really, really good hair. And I love how lightweight it is. I love how bouncy it is. Like, I could literally go out on the town right now. Like, nobody would know I just clipped these in for the first time. Yeah, I'm sold. I'm sold. I can't stop touching it. I don't know how good it looks on camera, but like, guys, this is bomb. All right, Luxy, you did it. You did it. I'm obsessed. Well, thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys have any questions about this hair, I mean, if Luxy hasn't already answered it, I will try my best. This is really nice hair. I'm about to wear it on vacation, so I'll let you guys know, updated in the comments how it worked when I was like switching it around, wearing it all day, sweating on it, doing nasty, weird vacation things on it. So I will keep you updated. But thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you next week. Bye.